Nowadays, technology is being a very important topic in our lives. I will talk about the most recently technology developments. We have heard a lot about Google Glasses. This is a new gadget that can help you in your daily routine with its multiple functions and applications. These smart glasses have an embedded camera, microphone, GPS, and reportedly use bone induction to give you sound. Voice control is used to control the device. You say OK Glass to get a range of options including taking pictures, videos, send messages using speech to text, hang out with people or get directions to somewhere. You access these options by saying them out loud. It can make easier your activities. For example, while you are driving you can see a map in real time of the city and its traffic, so you can choose the best way to arrive to your destiny. Also, you can make an online research and so many more things. Google's goal is that glasses always wears on your head, serving as personal assistant 24 hours a day. And beside all these things we've seen that this gadget can make, what else can it do? Researchers at the University of South Carolina in United States provide the answer through a system called Insight, which serves to recognize people who are in the middle of a crowd. The idea is that the device will indicate exactly where is a friend or family among a large group of people, using a close recognition system that is easier to implement than face recognition, because it requires a better lens and more intensive analysis of data, and also requires that the target person is looking straight at the camera. Of this way, what Insight make is through a mobile software application analyzes patterns defining a footprint or personal stamps each, based on combinations of patterns found in common colors, textures of fabrics, including drawings, as lines, frames, etc. Until now, more applications are trying to be developed for this amazing gadget. We will keep you informed about its advances.
The renewable energies, electric and hybrid cars. The renewable energies are the future of our world. That is why we must start taking seriously the use of hybrid or electric cars. These cars are city-made because you don't need to travel far distances. It's kind of a work-home car. Buying an electric car is a luxury nowadays because it costs too much, but you should see more as an investment that eventually will repay the investment. You need to consider that electricity is cheaper than gasoline. Electric cars are even better than hybrids in this regard. Hybrids running on gas give off emissions, while electric cars are totally 100% free of pollutants. Electric motors provide quiet, smooth operation and stronger acceleration and require less maintenance than gasoline cars. The internal combustion engine is only about 15% efficient, losing 85% of its available energy to the air in form of heat. The electric vehicles are more efficient at 25% efficiency. However, researchers are working to improve battery technologies to increase driving range and decrease recharging time, weight and cost. These factors will ultimately determine the future of electronic vehicles.
For the first time, it has been developed a silicon-based fiber optic with solar cell capabilities that has shown it can be manufactured in lengths of a few meters. The research opens up the possibility of weaving threads of that material in order to weave with them flexible solar fabrics. This achievement is the work of an international team of chemists, physicists, and engineers, headed by John Betting, professor of chemistry at the State University of Pennsylvania, United States, and P.J. Arcensio at the University of Southampton in the United Kingdom. The new findings by the team have been derived in part from early works in which addressed the challenge of combining in the same material optical fibers and chips, integrated circuits based in silicon, which are the basic elements of the majority of semiconductor electronic devices, such as solar cells, computers, and mobile phones. The team found a way to build a new type of optical fiber, which is thinner than the thickness of a human hair, with its own integrated electronic component. Now, in their new research, the team has created a fiber using crystal semiconductor materials of silicon that can function as a solar cell, a photovoltaic device that can generate electricity by converting solar radiation into direct electric current. This singular solar thread will make it possible to weave solar panels that could be lightweight, flexible, portable, foldable, and which even could be used in the form of a jacket, hat, or other clothing. In this way, the singular material could be connected to electronic devices to provide energy and recharge your batteries.